Hello students, in today's class we are going to study about the conversion of hardness into calcium carbonate equivalents. It requires for the calculation of lime and soda requirements. We have to put values in the form of CaCO3 equivalents in that formula. So before studying formula for calculation of lime and soda, we must know about the calculation of hardness into or conversion of hardness into calcium carbonate equivalents. For converting hardness into calcium carbonate equivalents, we use this formula. Equivalence of calcium carbonate is equal to mass of hardness producing substance into multiplication factor. Here mass of hardness producing substance is given in the question and we have to convert it into calcium carbonate equivalents by multiplying it with the multiplication factor. The formula for multiplication factor or conversion of salt into multiplication factor is 100 by 2 into chemical equivalents. 100 upon 2 into chemical equivalents, where chemical equivalent is molar mass upon N factor. Molar mass of the salt which is given, when it is divided by the N factor is the number of acidity or basicity, or we can say that number of ions on the atoms. Okay, number of ions on the atom is written as N factor. So by putting these values and multiplying it with the mass of hardness producing substance, we can convert it into calcium carbonate equivalents. Let us see one example. As we know the molecular weights of all the salts, we must know the molecular weights of all the salt. Let us take an example. In this example, we are going to take CaCl2. In the question we have given, let us take an example. In the question, we have given that the value of or mass of CaCl2 is 111 ppm or milligrams per liter. That is the value which is given in the question and we have to convert it into CaCO3 equivalents. So for conversion of this value into CaCO3 equivalents, we use this formula here. The mass given in the question is 111 milligrams per liter. So that is the mass of hardness producing substance is 111 milligrams per liter into multiplication factor. To find multiplication factor, we use this formula. In this formula, we have 100 upon chemical 2 into chemical equivalents. That is 100 upon 2 into chemical equivalent of CaCl2 is its molar mass upon N factor. In CaCl2, calcium chloride, it has dipositive ion, charge is dipositive ion and chlorine has -1 ion and it is 2. So here the N factor is 2. So chemical equivalents for CaCl2 is its molar mass, that is 111. It is divided by its N factor, that is 2. So we put this value in this formula. Chemical equivalent is 111 by 2. 100 upon 2 into 111 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled and we get multiplication factor as 100 upon 111. When we get multiplication factor, we multiply it with the mass of hardness producing substance. So in the next step, mass of hardness producing substance is 111 and multiplication factor is 100 upon 111. They both get cancelled and we get 100 milligrams per liter. That is the converted value in CaCO3 equivalents. CaCO3 equivalent. That is in the terms of CaCO3 equivalent. So this is the method we convert any salt in CaCO3 equivalents. Now in the next class we will study about the lime soda formula, and after the lime soda formula we will calculate the requirements of lime and soda in our further classes. Thank you so much.